Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are jumping right into it without an intro because there is so much that we need to get done today. I'm showing you guys the mess of the before that was my kitchen and living room with cooking for Thanksgiving and having people over. Things just got really messy, and before I can bring out my beautiful Christmas decor, I need to make sure everything is nice and clean and that fall is put away nicely in its correct bins. So I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. So first up, I am starting by cleaning my kitchen and just wiping everything away, putting things back where they belong, cleaning this mess of a stove. Little tip there, if you guys have tons of crumbs like I did, vacuum them up instead of trying to scoop them up. Trust me, it makes your life so much easier. I'm actually going to be washing all of our dishes by hand because unfortunately our dishwasher, of course, stopped working. What a bad timing, right? Right around the holidays when all you're doing is cooking is right when my dishwasher stops working. But that's okay. I'm going to be washing all these things by hand and of course giving the sink a nice good wipe down. For a little tip, I actually been really enjoying that dish Dawn soap spray stuff. I love using it to clean the sink. I feel like it gets things so squeaky clean. So definitely a product I've been loving for cleaning. And now moving on to the floors. Of course, I'm gonna vacuum them up and of course Swiffer them. Now that the kitchen is nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the living room where really I just had a bunch of stuff that didn't belong here. Things have just been getting thrown all over the living room and nothing's been put away properly. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and store everything back to where it belongs, give everything a quick wipe down and vacuum up. Now that the house looks a little bit more clean and orderly, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my fall bins and it's time to put away all of my fall decorations. So I'm just going around and picking up everything that's fall from all my little entry tables in the kitchen and all things fall. It's sadly time to take it down. Alright guys, so here's my little strategy to putting all the fall decor away before we can put out Christmas. I just compiled everything that was all over the house that was fall and pumpkins, and now I'm going to try to organize it nicely. There's a lot of breakables that I'm going to try to put into those two bins. Except I think my new write down pumpkins that I got this year, I feel like those I might actually store over there in that cabinet because, you know, I don't want to risk those breaking or, you know, anything like that because they're really, you know, cute, rare pieces. So let's put all this away so that we can bring out the Christmas stuff. Alright guys, our bins are fully full of all the fall things. The only thing that didn't go in the bins was just my little pumpkin patch sign, those little pumpkins there, and these because they just didn't fit nicely in here, which is fine. Once we put these up in the attic, probably I'll just, you know, they're in a bag. They won't get dusty. They'll just lay on top like this. So I'm super excited I got them to fit. I got everything to fit in two bins. Makes me super excited. But now look how empty the living room looks. I forget like how much stuff you have up, and then once you take it all down, like everything looks so sad. Look at over here, my little entryway table. there's nothing left except a picture frame candle and a vase that has nothing in it, which I probably will move that right now with holiday decor because I don't really have anything cute to put in it, like how I did with the pumpkins for fall. We'll see. And then even over here, like, it's so empty, which means I'm super excited to start decorating. I did get a whole bunch of fun little trees from Hobby Lobby yesterday. My tree is gonna go over here in this corner. I'm gonna be moving my plants. Here is a little mini haul of all the new things that I got for Christmas this year. So I got all these super adorable trees from Hobby Lobby. I love the look of these. I wish I would have found another big one. I'm gonna try to go to another Hobby Lobby in town and hopefully find another big one because I feel like the set like this, the three sizes just looks so cute. And I only have two of the little ones, but only one big one. So I really hope I find a big one so I can have two sets, and then maybe these could go in our entertainment center. I don't know, because obviously right now I'm setting up already and I only have one big set, and I don't know, it just needs the big one, but there was only one, and I looked and looked and looked. I even asked somebody to help me. So I'm gonna try to go to another Hobby Lobby sometime. Probably not today, but maybe early next week or something, to try to find it. But other than that, I did find these gorgeous trees. I just love these looks. Like, these look gorgeous, and they're a nice neutral color. So if I ever decide to kind of switch up my color scheme, these can kind of still work. Oh, they're just gorgeous. Love them. Of course, I did get a little merry, like, Christmas tree cut little sign. But now that I look at it, I don't know if it's going to match anything. So we'll see if we put it up. Same with the little snowman that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if it's going to go, but you know, we'll see. We'll sprinkle it around and just have fun with it. I took the fall bins out to the garage and pulled our Christmas bins out to the living room. And can I just say that I'm very proud of how I organize our Christmas stuff, because basically every Christmas decor except for what goes on the tree is in this big bin. And all the Christmas ornaments and things that go on our tree, ribbons and things like that, are in these 3 bins. And so I'm really proud of myself for having like everything nicely organized. Some of the ornaments in here are like pink and just random colors of ornaments that I had in the past. And then this middle box is really like where all of our, it's like a nice organized ornament thing, and that's really where all our pretty like stuff that goes on our tree goes. And then down here I have more like ribbons and like bead garlands and all of my Ray Done ornaments. So I'm really excited because organizing everything, putting everything nicely organized last year is making it now so that it's going to be so much easier to decorate, because I know now where everything is. The only new addition that I have is my nativity set that I picked up at Costco a few months ago, like way back in August when they first put it out. So now that everything's out, I'm so excited to go through it and remember the things that I had, because I feel like I definitely forgot what I owned. So this is about to be so exciting. Starting off in my kitchen, I am putting out some of my most adorable rag done pieces, which of course are the Christmas pieces. All of these Christmas rag done pieces I actually collected last year, and I was very excited to get to pull them out again. I just love all the cute little sayings and all the little Christmas slogans. I just think it's adorable. Super excited that I got to put them out again this year. And here's the part where decorating for the holidays got a little bit complicated. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I was not liking the way that things were looking. I just wasn't happy with the look or the vibe, or I just didn't like it. And I just decided to take a break. I stepped back. I was like, you know what? It's already later in the day. I'm going to just enjoy the evening with my husband, have some food, take a nap, and then come back to it the next day. And that's exactly what I did. And I decided to keep it in here just to show you guys that literally when it comes to decorating for the holidays or any type of decorating, you just move things around, you find something that works, something that doesn't. You just go by how you feel and how you like it. I literally moved things around a million times in this area, and the best thing that I did was literally stop decorating and go to sleep. And then I came back the next day and I started with the porch from the outside in, and I cannot tell you guys how much happier I am with the way that things looked after that. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final reveal in just a second. But I will admit, to help clear up my vision for my decorating, I did take a quick little trip to Target. Thumbs up this video if that's your go-to place too, because of course they have everything and everything's adorable. It's time to show you guys the finished look in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how?
And that's how I'm ending the video, you guys, showing you a glimpse of how adorable all the decorations can look when you add a little bit of sparkle and some cute little twinkly lights. I definitely feel like that's an element that you definitely want to add to all of your decor, because it just makes it look so much more magical. As you can probably notice, I also didn't put the Christmas tree in this video, and that's because I'm making that its own video. There's just so much that I want to talk about how to decorate your perfect Christmas tree, so that video will be coming out very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!